The Loom of Sankofa. Under the warm sun's embrace, in a village where time flows gracefully, Kojo watched with eyes full of wonder. His father's skilled hands moved across the loom, creating tales with every thread. Colors painting a picture of the past and future. But change was coming. A foreign rule casting a shadow over the village. Machines now whirred where looms once sang. Steel replacing artisan craftsmanship. The village shook with uncertainty, the weight of heritage against modernity. Yet, Sankofa's ancient voice rang, true in the dusk. Kojo stood beneath the tree, sharing stories of the past, reminding all that the loom must not remain silent. Their cloth, their soul, must continue to bridge the past and present. The people stirred. The fire within them ignited. The factory doors opened, yet the looms stood proudly. And so, under the morning sun, threads of vibrant colors wove a bold and bright future, rooted deep in the past. For Sankofa whispers,
gentle yet powerful. To look back is to move forward.